Hey everyone, Linus here. Today we're diving into the world of PC gaming with the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 3060 Gaming OC12G. This graphics card is a beast for its price, packing some serious power for 1080p and even 1440p gaming. It's built on NVIDIA's Ampere architecture, which means you get killer features like ray tracing and DLSS for incredibly realistic graphics and boosted frame rates. The GIGABYTE RTX 3060 Gaming OC comes with 12 GB of GDDR6 memory, ensuring smooth gameplay even in demanding titles. Plus, it's factory overclocked, giving you a performance edge right out of the box. You won't have to fiddle with settings to get the most out of this card, trust me, it's ready to rock. Now let's talk cooling. This card uses GIGABYTE's WindForce 3X cooling system. It's got 3 fans that work together to keep the card icy cool, even when you are pushing it to the limit. And don't worry about noise, these fans are designed for quiet operation. You'll be too immersed in your game to notice them. Overall, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 3060 Gaming OC12G is an awesome choice for gamers building a new PC or upgrading their old one. It delivers fantastic performance at a great price point. Now let's get this bad boy installed. Alright, let's get this graphics card installed. First things first, make sure your PC is completely powered off and unplugged. Safety first, folks. Now, open up your computer case. You'll see those PCIe slots on your motherboard. That's where your graphics card goes. Find the PCIe X16 slot closest to your CPU. It's usually the longest one. Push down on the tab at the end of the slot and align your graphics card with the slot. Push it in firmly until you hear a click. Make sure the card is seated properly. Next up, power. The GIGABYTE RTX 3060 Gaming OC12G needs an 8-pin PCIe power connector. You'll find this cable coming from your power supply. Connect it to the 8-pin connector on the top edge of the graphics card. Make sure the connection is snug. You don't want any power hiccups while you're gaming. Finally, connect your monitor. The GIGABYTE RTX 3060 Gaming OC12G has multiple display outputs, likely including HDMI and DisplayPort. Choose the one that matches your monitor cable and plug it in. That's it, you're all connected and ready for the next step. Alright, the hardware is in place, but it needs instructions. That's where drivers come in. Drivers are like the software translators between your graphics card and your operating system. They tell your computer how to use the graphics card's power. Head over to GIGABYTE's website and find the support section. Look for the graphics card category and search for your specific model, GeForce RTX 3060 Gaming OC12G. Once you find it, download the latest drivers for your operating system. Once the download's finished, run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions and boom, your drivers are installed. It's basically just clicking next a bunch of times. Easy peasy. Installing the latest drivers ensures you get the best performance and the latest features for your graphics card. GIGABYTE regularly releases driver updates, so it's a good idea to check for them every now and then. Section 4. Troubleshooting tips, conquering installation hiccups. Okay, sometimes things don't go perfectly, don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are a few common issues you might encounter during installation and how to fix them. Problem 1. No signal on your monitor after installing the card. Fix. Make sure the monitor cable is securely plugged into the graphics card, not the motherboard. Also, double-check that the power cables to your graphics card are properly connected. Problem 2. The drivers won't install properly. Fix. Try uninstalling any old graphics drivers you might have from previous graphics cards. You can use a program called Display Driver Uninstaller, DDU, to do a clean sweep. Then try installing the new drivers again. Problem 3. You're getting weird graphical glitches or crashes. Fix. This could be a sign of a faulty graphics card, but it's more likely a driver issue. Try rolling back to an older driver version or doing a clean install of the latest drivers using DDU. Problem 4. Your PC isn't booting up at all. Fix. Double-check all the power connections to your motherboard, graphics card, and other components. Make sure the graphics card is securely seated in the PCIe slot. If nothing else works, try reseating the RAM modules. Section 5. BIOS and chipset drivers squeezing out extra performance. Alright, you're up and running. But what if you want to squeeze out every last drop of performance? Well, updating your BIOS and chipset drivers can help. Think of these like the firmware for your motherboard. They provide the foundation for all your components to communicate effectively. Updating your BIOS can be a bit more involved, so always refer to your motherboard manufacturer's website for instructions specific to your model. They usually have detailed guides and the necessary files available for download. Chipset drivers are a bit easier to handle. You can usually find them on your motherboard manufacturer's website as well. Just look for your motherboard model and download the latest chipset drivers for your operating system. Updating your BIOS and chipset drivers can improve system stability, compatibility, and even unlock new features. It's a good practice for any PC builder or enthusiast. Section 6. Enjoy the frames. And there you have it, you've successfully installed your GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 3060 Gaming OC 12G graphics card. You learned about its awesome features, how to connect it, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Remember, always keep your drivers up to date for optimal performance. And don't be afraid to tinker with your BIOS and chipset drivers if you want to get that extra edge. Now, fire up your favorite game, crank up the settings, and enjoy the world of smooth, immersive gaming. Until next time, happy gaming.